Well, talking of my wives, I have 7 wives, but one of them is already departed already. The the first wife of mine departed, but the rest, the 6, we stay together here, and those 6 wives of mine have their individual responsibilities of the sectors, and some of the sectors is being run by my children, my daughters, and some of the mga responsible followers. So that those are the main responsibility of my 6 wives. And then by the services rendered, especially to me, they have scheduled themselves. They have this schedule for 3 days. Each of them, they have scheduled 3 days to undergo the services for me. So, meaning to say, mag-ano sila, mayroong mga, so, para sa amin, wala naman kaming kaguluhan, there is walang quarreling, gano'n, walang sinurusan dahil unang-una, siguro, naipagbigay ko siguro ang lahat ng pangangailangan nila. In short, so, wala kaming, we do not have any, like, makita natin sa paligid natin, na parang may awayan, may mga masyadong silusan, o minsan, maghiwalay dahil sa silusan. Sa amin, fully intact. All of my children, I have 30 children, and I have 16 grandson and daughters. We live together here, and together with my mga yung mga ugangan ako.
In-laws, sir.
Halos lahat dito sila, at saka mga sister and brothers of my wives, they stay with me also here.